Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Reina Karisma Putri with student ID number 22411146. Here, I will explain about tax collection. Okay, let's begin. First, tax collection explanation. Tax collection is a series of actions taken to ensure that taxpayers pay their tax debt and tax collection costs. These actions include issuing warning or notice, carrying out immediate and simultaneous collection, issuing letter of enforcement, proposing preventive measure, carrying out seizure, detention, and even selling seized goods. The main purpose of this collection is to ensure that taxpayers fulfill their obligation in accordance with applicable tax regulation. Next, legal basis for tax collection. 1. The General Provision and Tax Procedure Law or KUP Law number 28 of 2007, Article 18, which mention the document that form the basis for tax collection, including tax collection letter or STP, tax underpayment assessment letter or SKPKB, additional tax assessment letter or SKPKBT, correction decision letter, objection decision letter, appeal decision, and review decision. Number 2, Government Regulation number 50 of 2022 concerning procedure for exercising tax right and fulfilling tax obligation provide detailed and efficient guidelines for tax collection. Number 3, Law number 19 of 2000 regulation change to tax collection through risk of execution. Next, reason for billing. Tax collection is carried out because taxpayers have not paid their tax debt after the due date or have shown indication of avoiding their tax obligation, such as intending to leave Indonesia, transfer assets, or dissolve their business. These collection measures are important to ensure optimal state revenue, maintain fiscal justice, and enforce tax laws so that taxpayers comply with paying taxes in accordance with applicable regulation. In other words, tax collection aims to protect the interests of the state and ensure that tax obligations are fulfilled effectively. Next, types of tax collection. There are three main types of tax collection in Indonesia. First, passive tax collection, which is the initial stage where the tax authorities only issue tax bill, such as tax bill or STP, and tax assessment letter or SKPKB, without any further action. Second, active tax collection, which is carried out if passive collection is ignored within 1 month. At this stage, the tax authorities can seize or auction the taxpayer's asset. Third, immediate and simultaneous tax collection, which is collection carried out without waiting for the due date, usually because there are indications that the taxpayer will avoid their tax obligation. such as intending to leave Indonesia, transfer assets, or dissolve their business. Immediate and simultaneous collection is carried out by tax officer with an immediate and simultaneous collection order based on tax law provision. Next, billing process or main flow. The tax collection process begins with the issuance of a warning letter to taxpayers who have tax debt. If within 1 month the taxpayer does not pay the debt and does not file an objection or appeal, active collection will be carried out, which may include the issue of a letter of enforcement. If the taxpayer still fails to pay, further action may be taken, such as seizure and sale of the taxpayer property that serves as collateral. In addition, immediate and simultaneous collection can be carried out without waiting for the due date, if there are indications that the taxpayer will avoid tax obligation, such as intending to leave Indonesia or sign of bankruptcy. This process is carried out in accordance with the provision of Minister of Finance Regulation number 61 of 2023 to ensure legal certainty, fairness, and effectiveness in the implementation of tax collection. Next, the conclusion on tax collection. The conclusion of this discussion is that tax collection is an important mechanism implemented to ensure that taxpayers fulfill their obligation on time, so that state revenue can be optimized and national development is guaranteed. The legal basis for the tax collection provide a clear and firm framework for implementing this process in a fair and measurable manner. Tax collection consists of several types, including passive, active, and immediate and simultaneous collection, which are tailored to the taxpayer circumstances. The collection process goes through several main stages, starting with a warning letter and followed by further action such as seizure if the obligation is not fulfilled. Tax compliance is essential because it is a key pillar in supporting state financing for various public services and creating sustainable fiscal justice. Therefore, tax collection and taxpayer compliance are part of an interrelated taxation system to ensure mutual prosperity and progress. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.